Hi friends, I'm Dr. Swapna Chekuri from Hyderabad Women and Fertility Center. Welcome to my channel. So today let us discuss about the most important supplements whenever you are planning for pregnancy to improve your fertility potential. What are the important supplements to take? So first and foremost important supplement is like omega-3 fatty acids. So it's basically a good antioxidant and it's very much useful to improve the egg and sperm quality and quantity as well. Second most important is like vitamin D. So basically whoever is planning for pregnancy, both males and females, it's better you get your vitamin D levels checked, and if at all if it is deficiency, then you need to take the supplements like weekly once for at least minimum 12 weeks, like 3 months course. Third most important supplement is like coenzyme Q, which comes as CoQ10. So basically in males, for the sperm production and for the sperm maturation, this is very much essential, and it basically it produces energy in the body. So that's how it helps for both to improve the quality of egg and sperm as well. Especially this is useful in ladies where the age is more than 35, when the AMH levels are too low, then this is very much useful for them. And the fourth most important supplement is a folic acid. Whoever is planning for pregnancy, at least preconceptional folic acid 5 mg per day, they need to start 2 to 3 months prior to the conception, just to prevent the neural tube defects and spinal cord defects. And fifth most important supplement would be like vitamin C is also a good antioxidant. That's also most important. And fifth most important point is like zinc supplements. Basically zinc is also very much essential for the sperm production and maturation, and it helps for the repair of any cellular damage, and even the nuclear genetic material, if at all any damage is there, the zinc helps for the repair of those things. And basically in males, wherever there is low sperm count or the morphology is bad or motility is bad, we usually advise them to take zinc supplementation. So friends, in this video we just discussed about what are the important supplements to improve the fertility potential both in males and females. And if you find this is informative, if you like the information, please like my video and share with your friends and needy people. Thank you. And do follow us on Instagram and Facebook as well. Thank you.